Hopping groups of 3 black keys. Let's get started. Let's hop once more from left to right. We're going to go from the left to the right, which you should know left is our low sound and right is to our where we have high sounds. Using fingers 4, 3, and 2. 4, 3, and 2. Okay, so it should look like this. Finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Okay. We're going to press now all 3 black keys at the same time, starting from the left. So here's a group of 3 black keys. And we're hopping to the right, just using our left hand. Good. Notice that the sound got higher as I mentioned. Now we're going to take our right hand, fingers 2, 3, and 4. Give it a little wiggle. And we're going to start to the right. And we're going to have a high sound first. Find those groups of 3 black keys and just hop. Good. Notice that the sound got lower. Good job.